Hello, everybody. It is January 1st, 2024. And I'm going to have a year-end report coming out shortly, but this is the one for the month of December. And the message you're going to keep hearing me say, by the way, and I've kind of been leading up to this the last few months, is for those of you that have your pie in the sky numbers of what you want to get out of your house, because the way things were going crazy before COVID, settle back, settle down. You're not going to be getting $1 million or anything close to it anymore for your house. They'll still sell when they're priced right, but those crazy days are gone, and they're probably not going to come back unless something spectacular happens in your or my lifetime. That's the bottom line. Let's look at the numbers. In November, we had 168 active, ranging between 169.9 and 1.1. And remember, you can ask whatever you want. And that guy's still on there. That was up 29 active listings, which, if you'll remember, the screen was just covered with green and still pretty much is. In December, we had 176 active between 169.9 and 1.1. So the price range stayed the same, but we picked up 8 more new listings, 8 more green houses on there. In November, we had 12 pending, which was down 10, and they ranged between 167.9 and 725. In December, we have 12 pending, so we're staying steady on the number of pending. They range between 190 and 775. And remember, those are asking prices. We won't know till they close what they sold at. My guess, the way things are going, they all took less than what they were asking. In November, we had 18 closed, which was up 2, between 151 and 725. And in December, we had 11, which was down 7. And next month, we can plan on it being around 11 or 12, just based on how many are pending, between 160 and 685. So if you'll notice, we had the highest closed sale in November was 725. The highest closed sale in December was 685. In November, we had 3.5 months of, well, in October we had 3.5 months worth of inventory. In December, we had 5.6 months of inventory. And now it looks like at the end of December, let's see, 33, well, I already know, it's over 6 months of inventory, and you'll see this again when we talk to the yearly. So again, highest close, 725, now it's down to 685. So if you've got your house listed, or you're thinking of listing it, for around $1 million or anywhere in that neighborhood, not looking very realistic, is it? All right, guys, you have a great day. One more note on a positive note. Well, a couple positive notes. Let's end it on a couple positive notes. One is your house will still sell. We're still selling houses. They're still pending and sold out there, but you're going to have to get realistic at what they're worth. If you want me to run a valuation to tell you realistically what I think they'll sell for, just let me know, and I'll be glad to do it. If you bought a house in the last year, fear not. The market will stabilize and continue to grow, just at a much more steady and realistic pace. And you'll see in the yearly numbers, you're probably going to be okay, most of you, unless you paid $1 million for your house. There's a couple out there that did. And then also, if you bought a house last year, know that now is your time frame, between now and in March something, to file for your homestead exemption. So in Florida, you can file for a homestead exemption if this is your primary residence and save money on your property taxes. Happy New Year, everybody. Looking forward to a great year. Hope everybody has a great month, year, everything.